Let's show you how to do a cluster using a treble stitch, using 3 trebles into the same one. So I'm just gonna go right here and I'm going to wrap my hook twice for a cluster, and I'm gonna insert my hook in and pull through 2 and 2 and hold it. I then want to do it again, and I want to continue to do it so it's almost like a 3 together, but I don't want to finish it, but I'm using the same stitch to go into. And once you have your 3 done, you just yarn over, pull through all 3, all of those loops, which is 4. So you have your 3, this was your starting one. So let's just do it again, see how it's gonna work. So let's go here. So we're gonna put 3 trebles that are gonna work together. So there's 1, but don't finish it. This is 2, but don't finish it, and 3. Once you have all your 3 done, yarn over, pull through all 3, and that is your cluster using trebles with 3 stitches into the same one.